I'm sure you've all noticed a lack of productivity from me lately. Well, I'm finally getting back to work on this old Vega Bomb casting. As I pointed to there, it's missing the interior. Yeah, it's kind of beat to hell. So this is not going to be a restoration. This, I'm not going to try and recreate an interior for it. I'm just going to have fun with it. I have a livery I want to throw on this that it's a little different, and so that's my goal. I'm not looking for something fantastic. I'm looking for something fun. Um, the decals are going to be a real pain to do because they're kind of unique, and I think fitting them to this, I'm having to custom design my own. But I think fitting the original design to this, even though it is on a Vega originally, may be a little difficult. But we'll see. And however it turns out, I'm just going to be happy with. So this is what's on the bench right now that I'm working on. As I have time to work on it, hit and miss here and there. I've just got stuff going on, and I'm trying to take care of some things, and we'll see how all that goes. But I feel much better about things now than maybe I did a month ago. Some things have definitely come together, so that makes me happy. I've also got this overwhelming urge to clear some stuff out of here. So I'm not sure if I'm going to get rid of some of my customs at some point that I've done that are piling up around here, or exactly what. I want to box up another Silva challenge here in the not too distant future. And I need to record a bunch of Cool or Not videos because I've got some castings already set aside for that. I think there's going to be fewer of those next year. I anticipate there being fewer of them next year. But we'll see how it goes. And maybe I'll do customs for them. I don't know. I really don't know. I have books and other things that I'm thinking of clearing out from here. And there comes a time when I just get this urge to clear things out. And I think that's been also on my mind a lot recently. And so I've been trying to take care of a variety of things. So I hope you understand. And if you don't, well, there's not a lot you can say about it. So, because I'm kind of in control here in Silva land. So, that being said, wish me luck on the Vega Bomb. We've got something like 5 days of rain forecast here, so I have no idea what painting's going to be like. I've got a thing arriving Friday that I'm going to use to help me warm paint cans a little, rattle cans a little more efficiently on these paint jobs. And I'll be showing you that probably in a video. But anyhow, this one, I already kind of know what color it is based upon the original that it's based on. Definitely need to get work on the decals, and I just thought I'd pop on here and give you an update. So that being said, stay safe and healthy out there. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.